Welcome to Learn Funnel Systems, where I teach you how to use System.io for free. And in this video, we are going to take a look at how we can share our sales funnels with your clients or someone. I believe most of the people are having doubts regarding how to share it, and that's why I decided to make this video. Sharing your funnels is easy. All you have to do is go to your funnels by clicking here, and you will see your funnels listed here, and all you have to do is click on this three dot and you'll see this share, and this is the URL that you need to copy and share it with whomever you want. Or you can click this button, copy to clipboard, then it will be copied to your clipboard. If I show you how it looks when I paste this link in the browser, you will be asked to sign in to your account, and once you are signed in, this funnel will be added to their account. So for an example, I have added another account here. All I am going to do is copy paste this URL that we copied earlier. When I suddenly paste it, you can see that funnel is added to your account. So that means the funnel is added. And if I look at now, you can see the two funnels that's active right now. So that's how easy it is to share your funnels with someone else's account. I hope this was helpful. If you liked it, please don't forget to share and subscribe for more future videos.